CoConstruct is a game changer when it comes to project documentation. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about how this software can streamline your processes and help you stay organized from start to finish. Whether you're managing a construction project or tracking various project details, this guide will give you the complete overview. Now, if you're curious about trying CoConstruct, you can get started completely free through the first link in the description, where we also offer exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. Next, let's talk about how CoConstruct simplifies project documentation. The software is designed to help you keep track of every document and detail from your project, all in one place. No more digging through folders or scattered notes. With CoConstruct, everything is neatly organized, easily accessible, and ready for your team or clients to view whenever needed. The second thing CoConstruct does really well is keeping communication smooth. From the first stages of a project to the very end, you'll be able to instantly update your team or client on any changes. Whether it's new specs, an updated schedule, or a revision in plans, you can send notifications directly through the platform. This ensures that everyone stays on the same page without the back and forth confusion of emails or phone calls. The third thing CoConstruct offers is customizability. If you're in the construction business, you know how specific documentation needs can be. CoConstruct gives you the flexibility to tailor your project documentation to your exact needs. You can create custom templates, adjust for project size, and even generate reports automatically to save time. The fourth thing CoConstruct excels at is budgeting and cost tracking. Managing the financial side of a project is as important as staying on top of timelines. CoConstruct offers an easy way to track costs, create budgets, and ensure you're staying within your limits. The platform's real-time cost tracking can also send updates whenever there are discrepancies, so you can adjust quickly without a headache. And the fifth thing? CoConstruct has mobile access. Construction sites are rarely stationary, and neither is your team. With CoConstruct, you can access project documentation on your phone or tablet, ensuring that no matter where you are, you have all the information at your fingertips. It's seamless integration between fieldwork and office work, so nothing slips through the cracks. The next thing to highlight is how CoConstruct simplifies project management. You can manage everything from schedules to contractors within the platform. It offers a built-in calendar that helps you schedule work and track progress. This keeps everyone on track, ensuring deadlines are met and no steps are missed. So far, we've gone over how CoConstruct improves documentation, communication, cost tracking, and project management. But here's something that sets it apart. CoConstruct also helps with client relationship management. It's not just about managing projects, but also about building strong, transparent relationships with your clients. The software lets you keep them in the loop with reports, photos, and even project timelines directly shared through the platform. Finally, before we wrap up, let's talk about getting started. You can try CoConstruct completely free through the first link in the description below, and remember, we've got exclusive bonuses just for you. This extended trial will give you the chance to experience everything CoConstruct offers without any commitment. To summarize, CoConstruct is an all-in-one project documentation solution that can transform the way you manage your projects. From simplifying documentation to improving communication and tracking costs, it's a must-have tool. Don't forget to use the link below for your exclusive, extended free trial.